Hi everyone! So for today's video, ayan, dahil Friday nga po, naisipan namin mag fish and chips. So dito po sa Wagag-Waga, may isang tindahan ng mga talagang sikat na fish and chips, which is nakakatuwa dahil pumunta ako, wala masyadong tao dahil before lunch po niyan. At makikita mo talaga kung paano sila magluto at meron din silang common na mga soft drinks, ice cream at iba pa. Ayan, sakto nga at dahil nagutom na nga po kami at only for $14. Madami na siya, makikita nyo mamaya. Chinika-chika pa nga ako ng tindero dyan. So ayan nga po, tingnan mo.
I've put some fish cocktails in there as
Yeah,
well because
thank
your
you.
batter broke up a little bit.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Okay. How's your day? You working today?
No, it's my day off.
What do you do?
I'm working in the aged care,
Which one?
community aged care.
You
and
like it?
Yeah, also in Wagga base.
You've been in Wagga for long?
Just 1 year. I'm from Griffith.
Oh, 14. What's your background, Filipino?
Yes, Philippines. Ayan, so talaga mga friendly mga tao dito at saka ayan, ang daming balot. Nandito na kami sa kotse at talagang binalot ng bonggang-bongga dahil nga sa oil. So 3 balot ata yan ng ganyan at kung makikita natin, sulit naman sa $14. So ayan po, happy Friday and have a good day.